is an urgent update. This is a potentially historic blizzard. This is a blizzard warning for 14 to 20 inches of snow. I mean, and there's tons more watches and warnings. Oops. And here's your freeze watch. This is a freeze watch all the way down to South Florida. This is very unusual. I haven't seen this before in quite a long time. This is a freeze watch that goes all the way down to Florida. Correction, all the way down to South Florida. This is a wind chill advisory. This is for upper wind chills in upper teens and lower 20s. Here's a freeze warning for inland portions of Lagoon area, where temperatures could be as low as 22 degrees. Hang on a second. And of course, I'm under the wind chill advisory. So I'm under a freeze watch. This is for temps as low as 27. So here is your winter storm warning, which is in effect from tonight to midnight tomorrow. Here is Tropical Cyclone Batsari, which could impact Mauritius and Reunion. And also, this island. This is part one of Winter Storm coverage.